more friends with them. I think. Around sunset, we had 1 or 2 birds come by the boat. We were wondering if we were lucky, if it had something to do with the breeze we had. But they've slowly been amassing their army. And now we've been under attack by hundreds of these things.
I've come across something like this before.
You haven't, right?
I mean, the odd bird, but
how long have they been there for? They must think we're a tree or something.
What do you make of all this, Will? You're the scientist.
well, it's like someone stole these guys' island and they feel like they need a new island and we're it.
They got the control of the mast. Now we have to defend the boat. Yeah. If they come down under the first predator, probably we have to abandon the boat. I'm serious.
I think they're multiplying.
There are too many.
You ready, guys?
The bazooka.
The bazooka.
See? They're on! Oh my god! It's working! Keep going!
More coming!
Oh yeah, look at the third spreader right now.
I cannot see the third spreader. It's full of birds. No, Emma! If they keep going in this way, in a few hours we have crocodiles on the deck, everything. Elephants.
We have lost control of the mast.
Yeah, we've lost completely the control of the mast. I got you, Emo. There are too many for us.
We have to surrender.
Who is the boss? Who is the boss?
You tell
the boss. You have to tell us.
Why are you here? Who sent you?
Who sent you?
Who sent you here?
The girls.
SCA, it is.
My friend.
Okay.
It's strong.
It is strong.
It is strong.
Tell them to go away.
Yeah! We're attacking.
Just have quieted down a bit.
We're going to sleep.
With this noise.
How's that skid gonna be, boys?
Good. Yeah. I think in this game we gain.